how to edit or delete subscriptions on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, tap on the Apple account at the top. Next, tap on Subscriptions. In here, you will be able to add in new subscriptions like the one that's suggested right here, Apple One or Apple Music. Now you can also edit or delete subscriptions. So for example, if you see Apple Music, you can tap on that. And then from there, you'll be able to tap on the remove or delete subscriptions or unsubscribe. Now because I do not currently have any subscriptions, so I do not have the option to remove it. But once you are in here, you should be able to remove a subscriptions that you have. And that's it. So once you remove it, you no longer be charged on a monthly basis. After, you can just tap on the done to finished. Finally, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.